Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this quick video, I'll show you how to research any eBay seller in the world to see their sold items. And I'll also show you how to see the hidden information, i.e. the date, time and quantity that any of their eBay listings have sold. And everything that I'll show you in this video is about using any third-party paid tools. In other words, everything that I'll show you now, you can do yourself right now without subscribing to any third-party applications. For anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling online full-time for 24 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula. So let's launch straight into it. So let's say you want to research this seller. Step one is to click on the hyperlink that says See Other Items. Now scroll down the left-hand side until you see the Sold Items checkbox. Now check the Sold Items checkbox and you'll notice that the Completed Listings checkbox automatically checks itself as well. Also, once you've checked the Sold Items checkbox, all the prices on eBay turn green. When prices are green on eBay, this means the item has sold. So in other words, they're not for sale, they have sold. So it's actually, real data. That's what they sold and that's what the sold price is. So now let's research one of the seller's listings to see how many times the item sold and the date they sold. For this example, let's use this belly wheel. So click on the listing and you can see it sold 14 times since it was listed. So the next step is to find out when they sold. To do this, first copy the eBay 12-digit item number. Every eBay listing has its own unique 12-digit eBay item number, and there's two places to find this number. The first place, my favorite or preferred place, is within the URL for the listing, which is at the top of your browser. The second place is if you scroll down the listing on the right hand side, approximately a third of the way down, you'll see, or a third of the way down on any listing, you'll see the eBay item number. Next, paste this URL to your browser and replace the 12 X's with a 12-digit eBay item number, like this. Now you'll see the exact date, quantity and price of each sale. If you also want to see the eBay best-selling items, make sure you watch this video up here, and I'll also put a link on the screen and below the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.